In this video we'll be talking about 6 books that every entrepreneur needs to know. To get these books there will be a link in the description below. I wanted to list some books here that are not just to give rubbish to you or say something that's very stereotypical or general, but something that would actually help you in your life and in business. So the first book is The Execution Factor, the one skill that drives success by Kim Perrell. The Execution Factor offers a straightforward approach to success by identifying 5 traits shared by people who know how to effectively accomplish their dreams and achieve their goals. The book is about believing the ability to execute is the difference between success and failure. So if you don't know how to start, then this is the book for you. The second one is Outliers, the Story of Success by Malcolm Gladwell. Outliers explores the factors that make the difference between successful and unsuccessful people, identifying common misconceptions, and that success is not just a matter of IQ, but it's all about hard work and opportunity. Next up we have How Successful People Think, Change Your Thinking, Change Your Life by John Maxwell. This book lays out 11 specific ways of thinking that you can practice to live a better, happier and more successful life. John Maxwell treats thinking as a discipline in this book, and the more that you work at developing the skills, the better you'll become at them. Daniel H. Pink. His book When is quite a unique one compared to the others on this list because it draws research from psychology, biology and economics. It's all about how we can best time our lives to succeed. The book offers strategies for self-improvement and shows how we can use hidden patterns of the day to build the ideal schedule for ourselves. According to Daniel Pink, the time of day can have a huge impact on our decision making and how well we learn and our ability to be effective and productive. Now we have See You at the Top by Zig Ziglar. See You at the Top is a best-selling book that's changed the lives of many people. It teaches the value of building a healthy self-image, clarifies why goals are important and how to set them. This version is the 25th anniversary edition, and this one stresses the importance of honesty, loyalty, faith, integrity and a strong personal character. The point of the book is to provide step-by-step instructions on how to change the way you think about yourself and your surroundings. So the final book, and my most favourite and the most important to me, is The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. Solo entrepreneurs can learn a lot from Tim Ferriss, who made lifestyle design popular. Anyone who dreams of escaping the 9 to 5, this is the one that they should definitely read. It talks about strategies such as outsourcing, following the 80-20 rule and automating processes. As the title states, it's about working a lot less and getting a lot more out of your time so you can use your time to enjoy the things that you want to do in life. So once again, you can check these books out in the description. There will be a link to the books on Amazon where you can buy them as a hardcover, Audible, Kindle Unlimited. There's many options available there. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.